The original owner since 1963, a home warranty for 1 full year. This is a 3-bedroom ranch home with a full basement and 1-car attached garage. Vinyl siding with vinyl replacement windows. Living room and kitchen with fresh paint and beautiful hardwood flooring throughout. The yard was professionally landscaped in 2017. The rear yard is fenced and features a patio and storage shed. The kitchen includes a newer refrigerator and dishwasher, cooktop range, a pantry, spotless wall oven, under-cabinet lighting, and newer sink and faucet. The 3 bedrooms share a full bath with a tub shower combo by Bath Outfitters. Convenient 1-car attached garage with a newer insulated door and opener. Full basement includes the washer and dryer, updated water heater and roof, cool central air, blow-in insulation in the ceiling and walls. A pleasure to see. Home warranty for 1 full year.